Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to perform one of the most powerful and recognized postures of yoga, which is called as Gomukhasana. Now Gomukhasana is a cow face posture, which is a seated pose that stretches several parts of our body. My friends, practicing yoga regularly helps in slow and rhythmic pattern of breathing, which brings calmness and positivity to our mind. Gomukhasana is one of the most commonly practiced poses of yoga. It brings several health benefits with itself. It has countless advantages which you can feel and enjoy only when you perform Gomukhasana. You are a school-going student, teacher, professional, teenager, dedicated housewife, sports person, or even a retired person. It is just perfect for all of us. So let us all perform Gomukhasana for 1 minute on each side together.
Sit straight with spine upright. Bend your left leg to place it under the right hip. Put your right leg over the left thigh, making sure the knees remain on top of each other. Bend the right arm and bring behind the back, while the left arm is over the left shoulder. Now try to connect your palms behind your back. It is absolutely okay if you cannot connect your palms or cannot touch your hands. You will be able to do so after practicing Gomukhasana regularly. Let us all experience the stretch for 1 minute. Kindly keep breathing comfortably. And then we will switch sides and continue the same for 1 minute. Gomukhasana comes with super benefits. It helps increase the flexibility of the back. It stimulates the kidney. It stretches hips and thighs. It helps treating sciatica. Gomukhasana stimulates the spleen chakra and the heart chakra. These two chakras are the center of love, compassion, and pleasure, which makes Gomukhasana a very powerful pose. Now let's switch sides and continue Gomukhasana for 1 minute on another side.
Now my friends, I believe this is a pretty simple pose to practice. So all age group must start practicing on day-to-day basis. I advise practicing Gomukhasana early morning to gain maximum benefits from it. Beginners can start performing 1 minute on each side, and eventually they can increase the time up to 7 to 8 minutes on each side. However, it is not advised for people with tight shoulders, fractures, or even having serious sitting issues. I hope friends you have enjoyed watching my channel and performing Gomukhasana with me. If you have liked my video, kindly hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Stay fit, stay blessed friends, till we meet again. Bye bye.